In this video, I'm going to show you how to gift games on Steam. So if you have a friend that you want to gift a game to, then make sure that he's your actual Steam friend, so you can check your friends by hovering over your profile here and then clicking on friends. And here's all my friends here. If your friend is not part of this, make sure to add him. And now when you want to gift a game, let's say we have to just choose a game here. So I'm going to just choose any one. So let's say this game right here. You just add to cart, just like you normally would. View my cart. And then over here, instead of for my account, you just choose this is a gift. And then you click continue to gift options. And then select gift recipient. And then they're going to show you the list of friends that you have. So just choose your friend from here. And then you can now continue to payment. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.